Hey guys, it's Ladino here, and today we're going to be doing a mystery unboxing of, well, you're going to see what the mystery is when I open the box. And our guest of today is going to be Macbook Pro, so enjoy the video. So, right now, I'm just going to unbox the box from this perspective, and then, once I get to finding out what's inside, you can actually see the better unboxing from the top angle, like I always do in all the other videos. So I already know what is inside the box, so it's just a mystery for you guys. And inside of the box is going to be box on the side. Here we go. Wow, it's very heavy. So it's going to be the 16-inch MacBook Pro. So I got this laptop because I recently started doing some work from home, and also because my other laptop had 256 gigabytes of SSD memory, and that just wasn't enough. So I got the upgrade here to 1 terabyte, and hopefully that's going to serve me well. And if I need more, I can use an external hard drive and do my videos and do the other work I'm doing that way. So now I'm going to change the angle on the camera and we can get into the unboxing.